Hello, I am Dr. Hindenburg Schneekobikach. Other words, Dr. H. We have finally completed our blue button, capable of splitting atoms and turning everything into it. I am about to press the down. Press it! What the? It's me, Dr. M. Ugh, not you. Yes, it's me, Dr. M. This could have catastrophic results. Just tell them what you told me. Alright, there is a bit of a risk with the button. If it doesn't work, then it could wipe out 20% of the population. Dr. H, is this really safe? No, but I'm pressing it! Don't you dare. You can no longer change my mind. Don't press it. You will forever regret it. Ugh, I will not regret it. Time to press it. Why don't we let the viewers decide? What? Well, you said there was catastrophic. Who is this guy anyway? Oh, I'm Jeb. Very well. Carry on. So, you said that it could wipe out 20% of the population, but it could split its atoms. Why don't we let the viewers decide? Comment down below. Yes, I think that would be fair. Ugh, fine. I've been working on this my entire life. Viewers, comment down below. Say yes, I would want the button to be pressed if you want it pressed. Say no, do not press that button if you don't want it pressed. Vote for me. Do not vote for him. Goodbye. And please, let me press the button. Don't let him press the button. Goodbye.